Daily stress, the rule of not talking to strangers since childhood, makes us to a certain point to be indifferent with people around us, avoiding contact with such degree that we miss finding wonderful beings in life. Social networks such as Facebook aimed at creating friends, contacts from all parts of the world, helping us to socialize with different types of people. WhatsApp that use your cell phone to have contact with friends or people with whom you share your number. Instagram, where you share your photos. Now you have a space to chat with the people who interact with your photos. There are applications like Azar, where you can exchange dialogue and visualize the person you are knowing. If you want to just look for a friendship on pages like Twitter, you can share your time with incredible people who maybe lived next to you and you didn't know it. Now finding a soulmate through applications or social networks has become an easier task, where it not only allows you to find people from the country where you reside, but from other countries and nationalities. If you are looking for serious relationships, you can find it in apps like Meetic and also Tinder, that is used by mostly young people who want to meet a person to chat and perhaps engage in a relationship. Be careful with people who you know online. Although many can be good, there are also people who only want to hurt you for their personal benefit.